hall bathroom. We are putting up some shelves. So we got these white like floating shelves that we're gonna put here and here. Here's the handyman. How do you know how far apart to put them?
I measured it.
Oh.
I used a ruler. She gonna be need bigger. Yeah. Gonna need bigger hole.
Slowly working on decorating the house. This is what we have in our hall bathroom so far. These are pictures from when we lived in Squaw Valley, California, near Lake Tahoe. And there's a picture of our van that we lived in. And I just put them in black and white. I thought they looked cool.
And now, kids, this is what you do here. You take this here drywall thingamajigger, okay? It's like a stud, okay? Stick it right up in there, okay? Stick it up in there. Stick it up there. Now you're gonna take this here Phillips head. It's number 2 Phillips head. Screw it right in there. Okay. Get these screws screwed into those studs. Just a little bit out.
Oh.
Little crack never hurt nobody.
What? Crack kills me.
Right.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
What's going on?
Well, you see, what happens is when your eyes aren't so good, you can't get in the hole.
That's what she said.
She just don't want to go in there. You won't go in.
Maybe that's why somebody returned them.
1 hour later.
It's like you won't even. There you go.
I heard a click.
What the fudge? Man versus shelf right now.
3 hours later.
I couldn't get it on the wall. So Melissa's gonna try. Everything seems to be measured up correctly. But this is what you get for getting cheap stuff from Target.
Target normally has good stuff.
Yeah, they do have good stuff usually. It just won't sit.
Much, much, much later. One eternity later.
Stop. It's on the wall, finally. That was annoying. One down. 1, 2, 3, 4 to go. We bought the house. These were here, so we're kind of trying to cover them. There's one there, one over here. But it's just a blank space, so we're just trying to fill it, but I don't know. It won't. And this is what our kitchen, living room looks like. Beautiful. Doesn't seem right.
That's right.
It is?
It's just, I need to screw the screws in the wall. Melissa's first drilling experience. See if she doesn't mess this up.
12 seconds later.
No. Put everything in the middle. See where you got it? Yeah, that's your center point.
And just hit it?
Yep.
How far?
You'll know. It's gonna go through.
I missed.
It's okay. We'll figure it out. Push.
It's going sideways.
It's okay. Just go for it. There you go.
It went sideways.
Yeah. Screw this in here.
Like this?
No, not with that. How's that gonna screw it in there? This video probably sucks because I haven't really been paying attention to it. Trying to make sure you're safe. Alright. Take the shelf, measure it up. Flip it. Sorry.
Okay.
Did it move on you again?
This thing and this thing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, stop. Hold on.
It's not staying.
Hold this.
Working that, stripping it.
Yeah. Oh my.
Did I ruin it? What'd I do?
How'd it go so
I
sideways?
don't know. Take it out and put it back in.
Oh my god, that's stuck in there. Alright, maybe I should not have had to do this.
Just,
Well,
Max.
it'll be fine. I'll figure it out.
My screw is really crooked. Oh no. That one looks okay. Alright, finished shelves. Pretty cool. I'll have to find stuff to put on there. Or just candle on there. I don't know if I'll keep it. But I think it looks good. Alright, on to the next bathroom. We got it down to a science, kind of. These ones went up really quick.
Yeah. I found the key to forcing it on there.
Also, how can you see them? Why is it doing that?
It's a
Oh,
mirror
okay.
image.
So you see the lights are upside down. They came like that when we bought the house, but we can't flip them because we have to move the whole like fixture up. So that's why those are upside down.
It'll be like that.
It's lighting the ceiling wonderfully. final shelves. 2 above the potty. And 1 there. I'm gonna paint something on that and put like a little plant beside it. Woo! Good job, babe.
Woo!